The Corsair Vengeance i7500 gaming PC delivers uncompromising performance for serious American gamers and content creators. This powerhouse features a liquid-cooled Intel Core i9-14900KF processor that dominates demanding workloads and AAA titles. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card brings next-gen ray tracing and AI-enhanced visuals to life. Inside, 32 gigabytes of Vengeance RGB DDR5 memory ensures smooth multitasking across intensive applications and streaming setups. The 2 terabytes M.2 SSD provides lightning-fast boot times and ample storage for massive game libraries. Corsair's renowned build quality shines through every component selection and cable management detail. Liquid cooling keeps temperatures low during marathon gaming sessions and heavy rendering tasks. The efficient thermal design maintains peak performance without excessive fan noise, disrupting your experience. Intel's Unlock KF series processor invites enthusiasts to push clock speeds further with proper tuning. The sleek black chassis complements any gaming setup while showcasing vibrant RGB lighting through tempered glass panels. Vengeance memory modules sync with Corsair's iCUE software for unlimited customization possibilities. Every frame renders smoothly whether competing in esports or exploring open-world adventures. Connectivity options include high-speed USB ports and the latest wireless standards for low-latency peripherals. Windows 11 comes pre-installed with all drivers optimized for the specific hardware configuration. Professional cable management ensures optimal airflow and a clean aesthetic. System builders appreciate the hassle-free experience of a pre-configured rig with premium components. The Corsair Vengeance i7500 represents a smart investment for users demanding desktop-class performance without assembly complications.